Don't bet your life on a 50-cent part, all right? Make sure to check out something like Quick Jacks as well. They work really, really well, and they're worth the investment when you do work like this all the time. So let's jump in, let's get started. I'm gonna show you what it looks like underneath. All right, y'all, so let's take a look at what we have here underneath. Now, this particular Z4 already has an aftermarket back box on it, so we'll talk about that a little bit, but the process is going to be essentially the same as we go through the install. Now, as we work our way up the line, you can look at these big support strut bars. We're going to be talking about these as well in a second, and working around these. So you can see when you work all the way up, where your single channel mid pipe comes down, splits into the two paths. You have your cross brace here in the center. We work our way up the car. We have our center hanger here, and we have our upper V-band clamp right here that holds us all into place. And unlike a lot of BMW exhausts, this is not like a flange clamp. This is more like a V-band that sleeves onto your downpipe. So getting this off, it's not hard. It just can be a little bit of a challenge to wiggle this down and off your downpipe, but we'll work all of that out. Now, the first thing you want to make sure to do is give this all time to cool down. Right now, the exhaust line is still pretty warm, but I wanted to show you what this looks like before we jump into it. The very first thing we're going to do is take this cross brace off. These should be 12mm bolts. You can do this really easily. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go ahead and take those off, and then I'm going to walk you through the rest of the process.